A Limestone County judge is preparing to make a decision as to what statements will be admissible during Mason Sisk's capital murder trial. Sisk is accused of killing his parents and 3 young siblings in Elkmont in 2019.
Now, the parties in the case are submitting their final arguments as to what should and shouldn't be allowed in evidence during trial. A confession of the crimes hangs in the balance. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker joining us now in the studio with the latest on the case.
That's right, Jerry. The judge in this case, Limestone County Circuit Judge Chad Wise, asked both sides to submit a brief laying out where they stand on the issue of throwing out statements in Sisk's case. Now, the defense filed its arguments to suppress the statements Monday afternoon. At the request of Limestone County Circuit Judge Chad Wise, Mason Sisk's attorney submitted a 9-page brief after Friday's suppression hearing in which they remain adamant that statements made by Mason Sisk to law enforcement should be tossed because he hadn't been read his Miranda rights. The defense says Sisk was in custody almost immediately after the first deputy arrived on the crime scene in September of 2019. The document argues that within 3 minutes of that deputy's body camera activating, Sisk was cuffed, put into a patrol car, and his cell phone was taken. Investigators testified in court the teen was then transferred to a car with then Limestone County Sheriff Mike Blakely. The defense argues Sisk, who was 14 at the time of the crimes, was detained prior to any acknowledgement of his constitutional rights for 2 hours and 11 minutes, plus the amount of time it took to transport him 8.5 miles from the crime scene to the sheriff's office and get him from the vehicle to the interrogation room. The defense says testimony at that suppression hearing Friday showed that no member of law enforcement used that time to locate and contact the next of kin for Sisk, DHR, or any crisis services to be present with him. The defense also argues Sisk's hands were tested for gunshot residue and his phone was searched prior to a court order or being read his rights during that interrogation. Perhaps the biggest allegation here, Sisk's attorneys claim Blakely and his investigators coerced Sisk into telling a narrative they created as to what happened to his family that day. Now, the state who is prosecuting Sisk in this case has yet to file its response brief. It's due by 4:30. Ultimately, Judge Wise and the parties will reconvene Friday afternoon. It's expected then the judge will decide which statements, if any, will be admissible during the trial scheduled for September 12th.